Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to set up email integration in Clickfunnels. This helps us send automated emails, follow up with leads, and manage communication more effectively. Let's get started. On the Clickfunnels dashboard, click the workspace in the lower left corner. This will open up your settings, and we will see integrations in the middle left part of the dashboard. From here, we just need to click on Integrations so we can choose the email provider we want to use. We will be using MailChimp as our email provider to automate and manage our emails. Once we are here, we need to log into our account. We can continue with Google and sign in. Next, we just need to enter our password and log in. Once we are logged in, all we need to do is click Allow, and the system will verify our account. And there we go. It is now connected. We can save this and confirm that MailChimp is connected through Clickfunnels. The purpose of this setup is for lead management. We can connect landing pages to an external tool like MailChimp, which allows us to send automated follow-ups such as lead magnets, nurture prospects, and manage our subscriber lists to help drive sales. With this simple setup, we can automate our emails and stay connected with our audience effortlessly.